Hello everyone, and welcome to Bright Brain Rhymes. I'm Professor Paws, and I'm so excited to learn with you today. Let's get started. Hello young learners. Today we're exploring the letter A. Look at this gigantic friendly letter A right here. And I have a shiny red apple. A is for apple. Let's learn more together. Hello friends. Today let's learn the letter B. B is for ball. I have a colorful soccer ball. And look, the friendly letter B is waving hello. Can you say B? B. Great job.
Hello, friends. Today we're learning about the letter C. Look at this big friendly C. It makes the coo sound. C is for cat, like this little one sleeping here.
Hello! Today we're learning about the letter D. And look, a puppy is inside. What a friendly puppy. Hello there.
D is for dog. You're so cute.
Let's be friends. Hello, little one. Let's explore the letter E.
Wow, it's so big, E.
Exactly. It stands for elephant.
Elephant, that's me, E.
You're a great learner. High five. Hello. Let's learn about the letter F. F is for fish, like our friend here. It swims around the big letter F. Great job, little friend.
Hi, kids. Let's learn about the letter G. G is for grapes. Look at this big bunch of juicy purple grapes. Grapes start with G.
Hello, friend. Let's learn about the letter H. H is for horse. Can you say H?
H.
Wonderful. H is for happy too.
Happy.
You're a great student.
Oh, that ice cream looks so yummy. I wonder if I can have a little taste. So tempting.
Hello. Today we're learning about the letter J. This is the letter J. J is for juice. Can you say J for juice?
Hi, friends. Let's learn the letter K. K is for kite. See the colorful kite? K, the kite is flying high. You did it. Great job.
Hello. Let's learn about the letter L.
Okay, what's that?
This is the letter L. L is for lion.
L for lion, I see.
That's right. Great job.
Well, hello there. Swinging on the letter M, are we?
Fun.
Indeed. M is for monkey, and you're quite the expert. All right, one more swing. Then we learn another letter.
What a big letter N. And a nest of eggs. Oh, they glow. Wow, a giant orange in a ring. I wonder if it's magic. It feels so real. What an adventure. Hi, what's that big P?
It's for parrot and panda.
Wow, can I hop on it?
Sure. Watch me fly.
Yay, friends forever.
Hello, young queen. Today, let's explore the letter Q.
Okay, what makes Q special?
Q is unique. It makes a KW sound, like in queen.
Wow, Q is so cool.
Indeed. Now you can find more Q words. Look, the letter R.
Wow. R for rabbit.
Let's hop around it.
Okay, here I go.
You're so fast.
Hee. This is the letter S. S is for sun, see? The sun is so bright. Let's play. All aboard the tea train. Choo-choo, here we go. Wow, look at the hills. Oh no, the letter U is getting wet. Don't worry, I'll help you. There, all dry and safe now. Yay, we did it.
Hello. Today we're learning about the letter V. V stands for van, like our friend here. And V is for victory. Let's give a big V cheer. Hello. Let's explore the letter W. W is for wonderful, watch, and whimsical. And here is a colorful wristwatch. Time for more adventures. Hello. Let's learn about the letter X. X is for xylophone. This is a xylophone. Listen to the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. Great job. Hello. Today, we're learning about the letter Y. It's a fun letter that starts the word yo-yo. See how the yo-yo spins? Learning is so much fun. Hello. Let's learn about the letter Z.
Okay, Z is for zebra.
Exactly. Z makes the Z sound.
Zzz, like in zoo.
You're so clever. Great job. Please subscribe and click the bell for more fun stories. See you in class. I can't wait to teach you.